Honorable Principal Sir, esteemed Chief Guest of today's program, Mr. Deepak Dhanova, Chief Coach IIT Kanpur, parents, teachers, and my dear students, a very good morning to one and all. Today, this webinar is being organized to celebrate National Sports Day, which is a very nice way to remember Major Dhyan Chand ji, who is known as the Wizard of Hockey. He needs no introduction, but still I should put some light on his life. He was born in Allahabad on 29th August 1905. He completed his schooling and got graduation degree from Victoria College, Gwalior in the year 1932. He joined British Indian Army in the year 1922 and thereafter he started playing hockey and ultimately selected for the Indian Army hockey team. He was known as the greatest hockey player in the history of sports. He was playing at center forward position and known for his superb ball control. I should let you all know how he got the word Chand in his original name Dhyan Singh. Since Dhyan Singh used to practice a lot during the night, after his duty hours, he used to wait for the moon to come out so that the visibility in the field improved, because during his era there were no floodlights. Hence, he was called Chand by his fellow players. Along with a nice player, he had a strong feeling for his nation. His love for the nation can be known when Indian hockey team under his captaincy defeated Germany in 1936 Berlin Olympics. And he was offered German citizenship and a position of colonel in the German army by the German great leader Adolf Hitler. He was the leader who was dominating at that time, but Dhyan Chand refused his proposal. He was a member of Indian hockey team from 1926 to 1949 and he scored 570 goals in just 185 matches. He got third highest civilian honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. After his retirement from Indian Army on 29th August 1956, he taught at coaching camps at Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Later, he accepted the position of chief coach at NIS Patiala, means National Institute of Sports, which is located in Patiala. Major Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army at the age of 16. That time he was very young and took up hockey while he was still enrolled. Dhyan Chand was the leading goal scorer at the 1928 Amsterdam Olympics with 14 goals. A news report about Indian victory said, "This is not a game of hockey, but magic. Dhyan Chand is in fact the magician of hockey." Once, when Dhyan Chand was unable to score in a match, he argued with the match referee about the measurement of the goal post. To everybody's amazement, he was right. The goal post was found to be in contravention of the official minimum width prescribed under international rules. Let me tell you all that once Australian great cricketer, you might be know his name, Sir Don Bradman, met Dhyan Chand at Adelaide in 1935. After watching him play, Bradman remarked he scored goals like runs in cricket. And one more interesting incident was happened when hockey authorities in the Netherlands once broke his hockey stick to check if there was a magnet inside. Major Dhyan Chand is most remembered for his goal scoring feats and for his 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932, 1936 Berlin Olympics in the field of hockey, while India was dominant in the sports. In the year 1956, he retired from the army where the rank of major. His son Ashok Kumar Singh, he is also a great player at that time, was a member of Indian Olympic field hockey team in the 1970s and scored the winning goal in the 1975 World Cup Championship. Major Dhyan Chand spent his last days in his hometown of Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. He died on 3rd December 1979 from liver cancer at AIIMS. He remains the only player to have a stamp in his honor. His statue was built at Sipri Hills, which is located in Jhansi. Dhyan Chand remains a legendary figure in Indian and world hockey. His birthday, 29th August, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The President gives away sports related awards such as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award and Dronacharya Award, which is for coaches, on this day at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The 20th National Award 2012, the Gem of India, awarded by the Union Minister of India and was given to Dhyan Chand. The award was received by his son Ashok Dhyan Chand on behalf of his deceased father. The National Stadium Delhi was renamed Dhyan Chand National Stadium in 2002 in his honor. An AstroTurf hockey pitch at the Indian Gymkhana Club in London has been named after Indian hockey legend Dhyan Chand. So in simple words, we can say Dhyan Chand is a nice example to all of the youngsters who want to build their career in the field of games and sports. Dear students, sports don't build character, they reveal it. Lastly, I would like to tell all my blooming flowers, just play a sport. It will teach you how to win honorably, lose gracefully, respect authority, walks with others, manage your time and stay out of trouble. That's all I want to say. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.